Let's learn the alphabet preschool learning. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jump. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for next. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you kids for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.